Students, we will be continuing with the lesson Trigonometry 2 by learning the next part, that is trigonometric functions of allied angles. Trigonometric functions of allied angles. Before going to the trigonometric functions, let us learn what is allied angles. If the sum or difference of the measures of two angles is either 0 or integral multiples of pi by 2. Integral multiple means n pi by 2 where n belongs to integer set. Then these angles are said to be allied angles. If theta is the measure of an angle, then its allied angles are minus theta, pi by 2 plus or minus theta, pi plus or minus theta, 3 pi by 2 plus or minus theta, 2 pi minus theta, etc. Now the results related to this allied angles. Sin pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta, cos pi by 2 minus theta is sin theta, and tan pi by 2 minus theta is cot theta. And the second one, sin pi by 2 plus theta is equal to cos theta, cos pi by 2 plus theta is minus sin theta, and tan pi by 2 plus theta is minus cot theta. These results we have already learned in the previous lesson of trigonometry. New results related to the allied angles are sin pi minus theta is equal to sin theta, cos pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta, tan pi minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. You can remember it easily by remembering that here pi is an even multiple of pi by 2. If it is an even multiple of pi by 2, pi means 2 into pi by 2. 2 is even number. So 2 into pi by 2. If it is even multiple, the same function will come in the right hand side also. Sin pi minus theta is sin theta because pi minus theta is in the second quadrant. So sin is positive in that, also the same function. So we will get a positive function here. Sin pi minus theta is sin theta. And in the second quadrant, cos theta is negative. So it is minus cos theta, but the same function. And tan also negative in the second quadrant. Now the second result, sin pi plus theta is minus sin theta, cos pi plus theta is minus cos theta, and tan pi plus theta is positive tan theta. Here again same function will come, but the sign changes according to the quadrant in which the given angle lies. Here sin 2 into pi by 2. So even multiple of pi by 2 coming. So the same functions but with a negative sign for sin and cos, because pi plus theta lies in the third quadrant where sin theta and cos theta are negative but tan theta is positive. Now next one, sin 3 pi by 2 minus theta is minus cos theta, cos 3 pi by 2 minus theta is minus sin theta, and tan 3 pi by 2 minus theta is cot theta. Here 3 pi by 2 means odd multiple of pi by 2. If it is odd multiple, then the complementary function of the given function will come. Here is complementary function of sin is cos theta, cosine, cosine. Complementary function or co-function. Sin 3 pi by 2 minus theta means it is in the third quadrant, and we know third quadrant sign is negative. So negative sign also will come along with this co-function. And cos 3 pi by 2 minus theta is minus sin theta, and tan 3 pi by 2 minus theta is cot theta. Next, sin 3 pi by 2 plus theta. Here 3 pi by 2 plus theta lies in the fourth quadrant, and we know in fourth quadrant sin and tan are negative but cos theta is positive. Here 3 pi by 2 coming, that is odd multiple, so the co-function will come. Sin 3 pi by 2 plus theta is minus cos theta, cos 3 pi by 2 plus theta is sin theta because cos theta is positive in the fourth quadrant, and tan 3 pi by 2 plus theta is minus cot theta. Co-function of tan is cotan or cot. Now next one, sin 2 pi minus theta. Sin 2 pi minus theta, 2 pi is 2 into 2 pi is what? 360 and it is 4 into pi by 2. 4 into pi by 2 means even multiple. Also this 2 pi minus theta lies in the fourth quadrant. So it is even multiple, so the same function will come, and sign is changing as the function angle lies in the fourth quadrant. So sine and tan are negative in the fourth quadrant, cos is positive. So the same function only coming in these results. So sine 2 pi minus theta is minus sine theta, cos 2 pi minus theta is cos theta, and tan 2 pi minus theta is minus tan theta. Now few more results, that is sine minus theta is minus sine theta, and cos minus theta is cos theta, and tan minus theta is minus tan theta. Now let's solve the sums of exercise 3.2. First one, find the value of sine 690 degree. Here 690 degree is large angle. So when large angle coming, then instead of rewriting this as or converting into the multiple of, that is integral multiple of pi by 2, we can convert into the integral multiple of 360 also, because we know 360 is the integral multiple of pi by 2 only. And if it is written as the multiple of 360 degree, you can get the same function only, because integral multiple of pi by 2 into any number will be, that is even multiple. If it is even multiple of pi by 2 will into any number will be even multiple only. So you will get the same function, but according to the quadrant in which the angle lies, it will be positive or negative. So let's solve this sum. Sine 690 can be written as sine 720 minus 30 degree, and 720 is 2 into 360. So the same function only will come, but it is 720 minus 30 lies in the fourth quadrant where the sine function is negative. So negative sign also coming here, and minus sine 30. Minus sine 30 is minus 1 upon 2. Sine 30 is 1 upon 2. Next one, cos 315 degree. Cos 315 degree can be written as 360 degree minus 45 degree. So cos 360 degree minus 45 can be written as cos 45 degree, and 315 lies in the fourth quadrant where cos is negative. Cos is positive. So it is 1 upon root 2. Next, tan minus 690 degree, and here we have to apply one more result, that is tan minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. So minus tan 690 degree, and 690 can be written as 720 minus 30. So the same function will come, and this negative is obtained in the first step only. So minus tan 2 into 360 minus 30 can be written as minus of minus tan 30 degree, because in the fourth quadrant tan is negative. So minus tan 30 degree, and minus of minus is positive. Tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3. Next, cot minus 1110 degree. So 1110 degree, and it is minus. So cot minus theta is minus cot theta. So we will get minus cot 1110 degree, and it is minus cot. We can rewrite this angle as 1080 degree plus 30 degree, and 1080 degree can be written as 3 into 360 degree, and it is even multiple of 90 degrees. So we are getting the same function. So minus cot 30 degree, and minus cot 30 degree is, what is cot 30 degree? Root 3. So minus root 3. Question number 2, first one, prove the following. Cos pi plus x into cos minus x divided by sin pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus x is equal to cot square x. So let us consider the left hand side. Cos pi plus x into cos minus x upon sin pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus x. We have to apply the results here. Cos pi plus x, and you have to remember the shortcut I have already given. Here pi is even multiple of pi by 2, so the same function will come, and it is in the third quadrant. Third quadrant cos is negative also. So minus cos x will come. and cos minus theta is cos theta itself. So cos minus x is cos x divided by sin pi minus x is in the second quadrant where sin is positive. Also it is even multiple, so the same function. So sin x only will come, and cos pi by 2 plus x. Pi by 2 plus x is second quadrant, cos is negative, and if it is odd multiple, pi by 2 can be written as 1 into pi by 2, that is odd multiple. Odd multiple, then the co-function, that is cosine or sine, that is cosine, co-function is sine itself, so minus sine x. Now it is positive, and here both numerator and denominator contain the negative sign, so it is getting cancelled and we get cos square x upon sine square x. Cos upon sine is cot, so cos square x upon sine square x is cot square x, that is the RHS. Now question number 2. Second one, prove the following. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos 2 pi plus x into cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x is equal to 1. So let us consider the left hand side. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x. Here again we have to apply the result. So 3 pi by 2 is odd multiple. So co-function. Co-function of cos is sine. So sin x into, here 2 pi plus x is in the first quadrant, cos is positive, that is cos x, and cot 3 pi by 2 minus x is tan x, plus cot 2 pi plus x is cot x. Here tan x and cot x can be rewritten as tan x is sin x upon cos x plus cot x is cos x upon sin x, and we can cross multiply these terms for making the denominator equal. So it is sin square x plus cos square x upon sin x into cos x. So here in the numerator also there is a sin x into cos x. So it will get cancelled also. Sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So answer is 1. Now remaining sums we will solve in the next video. Thank you.